so tight. This is for school buses. What is the point with it being this tight? So I didn't. Oh. So I got a big pusher on. I mean a big bucket, not a big pusher. So my capability of doing, I'm hogging. Basically, that's all I'm doing at this point is just hogging snow. Right? Without a pusher, I'm just like a crippled. So we're gonna either put our one of our Arctics on, or I want to get a specialty Arctic. The Arctic actually makes a specialty blade. For loaders like this, oh, nice and slow, nice and slow, nice and slow. Don't smack that curb. Oh, there we go, up and over. It's almost like I know that I've done this once or twice before. Put your seatbelt on, it's telling me. What happens if I refuse? Do not operate this machine without knowing your operator's manual. Okay. Oh, Nikes. What happened there? I gotta reconnect. Gets this plowed rookie. Come on, let's go. Ha ha ha. Alright, Charles, come on. I'm trying to get stuff set up. I haven't plowed in this machine yet, so. Well, let me give me a moment. Every loader is different, you know. There we go. At this point, we're just hogging snow. I wish we had this one would handle a 17-footer, no problem. She's pushing pretty good. No issues whatsoever. So I could go up in that middle island, but feel this curve. Oh, there we go, we felt it. Oh, here comes the Mechalak with the right equipment on it. Yes, my 74 horsepower loader will do a better job because it has the right equipment on it. Nobody saw me get that grass there. You did not see that. Even though it's live. I'm still doing more than nothing. It's got that weird new loader smell. We'll let him clean up the mess. I'll hog pile it off. Yes, the best part about running something like this is you get to play in a piece of equipment like this and get paid for it. Does life get better? Does it get better than that? I don't know. Not sure how it could. I'm getting paid to run this loader right now. Yeah, sign me up. Alright, so he does not have his pusher down all the way. You can see, because his Arctic was straight better than that. Which is fine. You gotta dial it in, you gotta get that feel for him. Like I said, for snow, you always got so much to deal with. So my pusher for this is still in Chicago at Arctic's headquarters. And I do have a special one coming for it. And the difference is, because this machine can handle such a big pusher, I didn't want to go as wide, I wanted to go deeper. So I wanted real deep sidewalls. Does that make sense? So that it could contain a lot more snow, because it has the capability of just containing so much. But we've got to road it between job sites. And when you're roading a pusher and it's got a 17-foot blade on it, that can be a little fun. So hopefully that one is ready soon. I'm just waiting, chomping at the bit. All right, where's that? I think it's up here. I think I'm gonna find the entire curb. Let's do a curb run. You got a bucket? We can do a curb run. Alright, we'll locate this curb. That way we're not find it every time we go around the corner. It's kind of, oh, there it is. Nice and slow when you're finding the curb. That's when you take it easy. No giving this. You are responsible for any something I missed it, so why the comments go by so fast I can't keep up with them. Comes Matt, the newest guy in the ASV Skiddy. He felt most comfortable in a skid loader, so that's what he got in. Right there, Matt. Leave it right there. Leave it right there. Leave it right there. We used to plow with TLBs. The reason we used to plow with TLBs is because you can buy a TLB for next to nothing. Cheap. Some of them. And you can charge the same rate as a loader. Get doing it at a fraction of the cost. So it was a way to optimize the hourly rate. I don't know why some TLBs were so cheap back in the day. It used to be buy a TLB for 10, 20 grand. It was a decent machine. Now, of course, you can't do that. Lucky if you can get out of a grocery store for under $500. Stay on, get a 7:30. I was on the Bright View Properties in Maple Grove this morning. Get in at 7:30. Donald Prestorf, not in this lot. I was a front mount blower on a 40-horsepower tractor with a cab. Those are good. Depends on your snow, your skids. Pushers won't push anything in concrete snow. We just, oh, yeah, it's concrete snow. Doesn't make a difference what you're trying to do when you get concrete snow. This ain't that. This is the perfect snow. Perfect snow, meaning light and fluffy, but the measurement is high, so we can charge into the next slot. So we have accounts that are hourly, but we also have accounts that pay us by the inch. And 7 inches of concrete is more like 20 inches of fluff. Or pick a number, doesn't matter, it's so heavy, it's tough. And it breaks everything. Everything breaks when you're plowing concrete. Because you can't plow concrete snow the same way you can this fluff. But if you don't have a few years under your belt, you don't realize that. So you hit the concrete piles as hard as you hit the fluff piles, and pins snap, and stuff just goes wrong. Most guys are intimidated by a loader this size. Most guys. You get some guys, they got no problem. You know, there's no difference between this thing and my Kubota R530. It's just the size. You got better visibility. And yeah, you know, if you make a mistake, it crunches things faster. Yeah, there's that. Is no other difference in operating them except for time you figure that stuff out. None of these loaders make any difference. I brought my wife to Shippensburg, Pennsylvania, to the Volvo plant. They invited me out a while ago. She ran, my wife, who's not an equipment operator, she's a nurse, ran a Volvo, I think R40 articulated truck, one of those 40-ton haulers. I think she ran an R65. I think that's the right number, I don't know. She ran that, she ran their big excavators, she ran their big loaders. You can run any of these, you guys. Anybody can run these. Don't get intimidated by their size. And don't get intimidated by operators that try to intimidate you. Some of these guys brag about this stuff. It's like, oh, come on. Man, we all start from someplace. We all start from someplace, right? Give a guy a break. Give him a chance. Don't. I watch some of these guys. I don't know if it's an ego thing or what. But I don't want equipment operators to get like chainsaw operators. These guys that run a chainsaw for a living, those guys are particularly crazy about how you do it. And it's a craft, I get it. Running, cutting trees is a craft. I'm not saying it's not. Everything we do is a craft. I mean, plowing snow is a craft. But instead of picking on the guy, man, I don't believe in picking on people. I do not. Build people up, help them out, help them figure stuff out. Don't make them feel inadequate. I mean, maybe that's just the way life is supposed to be, and guys got to be alpha guys and blah blah blah, but I don't believe in any of that. What's going on? Somebody's honking at me. I see you back there, man. I see you in the ASV. I'm not going to squish you like a bug. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry. You won't get squished, sir. I'm not that tired yet. Give me a while, and I'll get that tired. 17 minutes in this loader. We gotta go start a new lot. This one's got enough equipment in it.